In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, teamwork is crucial to meet production goals and maintain quality. But when conflicts arise within teams, it can disrupt the entire process. One of the primary causes of conflict is role ambiguity. When team members aren't clear about their responsibilities, tasks can be misunderstood, leading to frustration and mistakes. Another common cause is poor communication. Miscommunication, or a lack of feedback, can lead to misunderstandings and friction among team members. Under pressure to meet tight deadlines, stress levels rise, and collaboration can break down. This leads to conflicts as individuals scramble to complete tasks. Conflicting priorities are another source of tension. In manufacturing, one team may prioritize quality, while another is focused on speed. This misalignment can cause frustration and lead to conflicts. When resources like tools or machines are limited, competition arises. Teams may struggle to complete their tasks, which often sparks conflict. By identifying and eliminating these causes, manufacturing teams can work more cohesively and achieve greater success. Want to learn more about optimizing team dynamics in manufacturing? Visit orcalean.com today.